Hey guys, developing an amazing voice involves a combination of proper technique, regular practice, and care for your vocal health. Now I know somebody's going to say down in the comments, oh, you're an AI voice. Of course you sound amazing. I'm not. Whether you're interested in singing or improving your speech voice, here are some tips in this video that help you achieve not only your first impression, but also an impressive and resonant voice. Why can I talk about this? I've been doing voice work for 15 plus years now. I think I've taken good care of myself. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, let's start with singing. Then we'll get into some breathing control, how you can record yourself for speaking. And then, of course, we'll also give you some tips on public speaking, managing stress, and expanding your vocabulary and tone. Let's get into it. Let's start with singing. If you're into speaking, you'll be able to fast forward a little bit in this video, but let's start with singing because a lot of people want to start there. Number one, this might seem crazy, but take vocal lessons. It's literally classes for your voice. Consider taking lessons from a qualified vocal coach. You'd be surprised they're all over the country who can provide personalized guidance on proper technique, breath control, and pitch all at the same time. Those all make up part of it and you'll be able to narrow down each one as you go. But if you're not taking vocal lessons yet, you want to get to that point. Number two is breath control. Learn diaphragmatic breathing. No, don't do that. Learn diaphragmatic breathing to support your voice with a strong and consistent airflow. Remember, speaking is as much about being heard as it is saying the right thing. Number three, warm-up exercises. Personally, I like a technique called the siren. It goes, whoa, whoa, and it just relaxes everything in your mouth. You look silly, you sound silly, but it works. Warm-up exercises allows you to get your vocal cords into gear before singing by simply flexing the muscles that make up your vocal cords, such as scales, arpeggios, and lip scales. You might have heard professionals before they go on stage going la 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 la. Do you think they're doing that without a purpose? No, that's totally because they know it works. Number four, practice regularly. Wait. Only a few minutes YouTube channel? We need to practice speaking? Consistent practice is crucial for improving your vocal skills. Being intentional about when you're not on stage, being intentional about how you say each individual word, each individual word will allow you to work on different vocal exercises and songs as you expand your range and control. Number five, posture. Maintaining good posture while singing will allow for optimal breath control and resonance. If me saying this made you all of a sudden sit up or stand up straight, there's one more thing for you to practice. Stand or sit up straight with relaxed shoulders. Best advice. You want to see how terrible the other way can feel? Do me a favor, just crawl up into a smallest ball possible and then try and take a big breath for the rest of this video. See how that swings your Sally. Number six, diction and articulation. Practice yourself clear diction and articulation to ensure that your lyrics are easily understood. Best advice here from stage performers all over the globe, don't be afraid to exaggerate your mouth movements to really come across clean in the lyrics that you want to say and the noises you are making. It is your tool. Use it to its full advantage. And number seven, record yourself. Use recording devices to listen to your voice objectively. This can help you identify areas for improvement. My best suggestion is record yourself today, and to avoid the feelings that you share with a person who just recorded, wait a week and go back and listen to that time in your life. I think it helps us stay more objective. Here we go. Let's get into speaking. Here are some tips to developing an amazing voice. Your first tip starts not with necessarily your vocal cords, but by speaking slowly and clearly. Avoid rushing your speech. Speaking slowly and enunciating words clearly can enhance the quality of your voice. Whereas if you try to go too fast, all of a sudden you're not allowing the rich vocal tones to come out in a natural way. And in some ways, speaking slowly makes you more distinct and purposeful about the words and concept that are coming out of your mouth. Number two, pitch and tone. Experiment with different pitch levels and tones to find the one that resonates best with your natural voice. Number three, expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary can make your speech more engaging. It forces people's brains to spark in areas that they haven't in a while. It tickles the hemispheres, you could say. Read yourself regularly. Pick up a book to expose yourself to different words and expressions and ideas and ways of thinking. It'll magically rewrite your brain to including more expansion of your own personal vocabulary. Number 4, listen to the great speakers. Listen to accomplished public speakers or voice actors to understand how they use tone, rhythm, and pacing to capture attention. Number 5, public speaking training. Consider taking public speaking courses or workshops to enhance your own communication skills and confidence. That plays a big part too. Number 6, I even have a drink right here next to me, hydration. Stay well hydrated to keep your vocal cords lubricated. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can and do often dehydrate the body. And your vocal cords are definitely sensitive to caffeine and alcohol. Number 7, throat exercises. Perform gentle throat exercises to relax and strengthen your muscles around your vocal cords. You've ever heard a professional about to get on stage? La 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 la. I'm not a singer, however, know that they do it for a reason. Number 8, this is a tough one. If you want an amazing sounding voice, manage your stress. Stress and tension can affect your voice negatively. Practice stress management techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation for yourself, your body, and your vocal cords. And your listeners will appreciate that. If you're into taking care of your body and you're looking how to get an amazing voice, maybe you want to check out Only a Few Minute YouTube channels, pre-workout meal versus post-workout meal comparison if you're looking for the best balance in your own life. Or if you're really into self-improvement and taking care of your body, Only a Few Minutes, subscribe to the channel. Remember, achieving an amazing voice takes time and consistent effort. Be patient with yourself and don't be afraid to seek guidance from professionals if you're serious about improving your voice or taking it to the next level. Additionally, maintaining good overall health, staying hydrated, getting enough rest, and avoiding vocal strain are essential for the long-term health of your voice. If you like the video, hit like. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.